We live in a world full of stimuli and stress, but there is a path to inner peace. Meditation. More than a relaxation technique, it is an inward journey, a space of peace amidst the chaos. You don't need to do anything. Just sit, close your eyes, and begin. It's the path back to a part of yourself that you know exists, but often overlook. Many thoughts will arise in your mind. Don't worry, it's the nature of the mind. Simply let them come and go. Don't cling to them. This exercise is not a quick fix. It is a process that is cooking every day. If you manage to establish this habit, many surprises will await you in that space. You will access places where old patterns, traumatic events, and emotional wounds have been hindering your natural way of being. Dissolving them will lead you to inner peace, allowing you to cultivate a clearer and more peaceful mind in your daily life. In addition, other interesting abilities will emerge, making your life more complete and filled with beauty. So, do you dare to embark on this journey within?